Hello everyone, in this lecture, the difference between anaphoric reference and cataphoric reference is defined and explained with its characteristics and examples. But, if you're new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn anaphoric reference. Anaphoric reference is a term used to describe the situation where a word or phrase refers back to something mentioned earlier in the text. What does it mean? Simply, anaphoric reference is nothing but it is just a reference in a text. Basically, sometimes we mention something in a text and then we try to talk about that thing, so we give reference to it by the help of many words. For example, in anaphoric reference, first we use a noun, or noun phrase etc., and then we refer back to that noun or noun phrase. So, this is called an anaphoric reference. Just look at these examples. She told me a story. It was about her childhood. Observe this example. Here the noun phrase, a story, is mentioned first and then in the next part we try to talk about the story. So, we have given reference to it with the help of the pronoun, it. So, this one is anaphoric reference, because first a noun phrase is used in a text and then for a noun phrase the pronoun is used. Smith was angry. He slammed the door. Look at this example, and let me ask you a question. Who slammed the door? The answer is, Smith. But how did you find it? Simply, because of the anaphoric reference. Basically, first a noun, Smith, is used and then we try to talk about him, so we did not repeat his name but we have just given him a reference by the help of a pronoun, he. So, we have referred back to the noun. So, this reference is known anaphoric reference. John baked a cake. It was delicious. Here in this example, first a noun phrase, a cake, is used and then it is referred back by the help of a pronoun, it. So, this pronoun refers back to a thing which is mentioned earlier in the sentence. Simply, you can say, when something is mentioned earlier and then it is referred back to it, so this is called anaphoric reference. While on the other hand, cataphoric reference can be defined as a cataphoric reference refers to a word or phrase in a text which anticipates or refers to something that will be mentioned later. Simply, it means that it is the opposite of anaphoric reference because in anaphoric reference a noun or a noun phrase is mentioned first and then a word or phrase that is used to refer back to that noun or noun phrase. But in cataphoric reference a word or phrase is used to mention something that comes later in a text. Simply, you can say, first a pronoun or word is used and then a noun or noun phrase. Just look at these examples. When he arrived, Simon noticed that the window was broken. Observe this example. Here the pronoun, he, is used first, and if we want to know that for whom it is standing then we have to look forward in order to get the idea. So, this pronoun stands for the noun, Simon. So you can see, a word is used first and then a person for whom this word is standing. So, this is called cataphoric reference. His friends are criticizing Smith for high life. Observe this sentence. The possessive adjective, his, is first used to refer to a noun, Smith. So again the word is used for a person who is going to appear later in a text. So, this is also known as a cataphoric reference. Even though she sits at the front seat, the teacher still does not know Shaman's name. Observe this example. The pronoun, she, is first used for the noun which is mentioned later in a text, that is, Shaman. So, you can see, first a pronoun is used and then a noun. So, this is called cataphoric reference. If you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.